$500 and your entire first day before the ship even leaves the dock. These are the 10 rookie cruise mistakes everyone makes, and the dead simple fixes that'll save your vacation. Late to the port, 3 exploding suitcases, and stuck paying for water you can get free? Don't start your dream cruise as a nightmare. Here are the 10 biggest first-timer traps and how to dodge them. First cruise booked? Awesome. Now don't ruin it. From missing the boat, literally, to eating mediocre buffet food all week, these are the 10 mistakes you're guaranteed to make unless you watch this. Let's count them down from 10 to 1. Each mistake includes why it happens, the fallout, and your pro fix. Mistake number 10, overpacking like you're moving house. Rookies cram 50 outfits, winter coats, and formal night gowns into 3 bags. Cabins are shoe boxes. Closets fit maybe 10 hangers. Fallout? Wrinkled clothes, lost luggage fees, stressed spouse. Fix? Pack for 7 days max. 5 tops, 2 bottoms, 1 swimsuit per sea day, and 1 dressy outfit. Use ship laundry, $20 bag fill. Roll clothes plus packing cubes equal double space. Mistake number 9, showing up late for embarkation. You see boarding 12 to 4 p.m. and roll in at 3:45. The ship sails at 5. Miss it? You're Ubering to the next port on your dime. Fallout? 300 plus in flights and hotels, tears at the pier. Fix? Fly in the day before. Arrive at terminal by 11 a.m. Early boarders get first lunch, empty pools, and cabin access ASAP. Mistake number 8, buying bottled water and Wi-Fi on board. First-timers drop $4 per water and $20 per day for snail speed internet. Fallout? $100+ wasted on basics. Fix? Bring a refillable bottle. Tap water is filtered and free. Skip ship Wi-Fi, use port cafes, or a $10 per day international phone plan. Drink package? Only worth it for 6+ sodas or alcohols daily. Mistake number 7, booking every excursion through the ship. You think cruise line tours are safer. They're also 2 to 3 times pricier and herded like cattle. Fallout? $150 for a beach you could walk to for $10. Fix? Use Viator, Get Your Guide, or local taxis. DIY with Google Maps. Return 60 minutes before all aboard. Never miss the ship. Mistake number 6, living at the buffet and ignoring better free food. You camp at the chaotic buffet because it's included. Miss the main dining room, pizza counter, and grill, all free, all tastier. Fallout? Mediocre meals, long lines, FOMO. Fix? Eat in the dining room night 1. Ask for off-menu kids items or doubles. Hit Guidesburger for Carnival, O'Shaughnessy for NCL, or room service, free 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Mistake number 5, skipping the daily planner. That paper under your door? Goldmine of free trivia, shows, and port talks. Rookies ignore. Fallout? Miss free champagne art auctions, dance classes, and 9 p.m. comedy. Fix? Read it nightly. Use the cruise app to book shows and dinner. Set phone reminders 15 minutes before events. Mistake number 4, bringing surge protectors or extension cords. You pack a spreadsheet for 6 devices, security confiscates it. Surge protectors are fire hazards. Fallout? 1 outlet, dead phones, arguments. Fix? Buy a cruise-approved non-surge power strip with USB. Amazon, $15. Cabins have 1 to 2 plugs plus 1 USB. Charge overnight. Mistake number 3, skipping travel insurance. Nothing will happen. Then you sprain an ankle or get norovirus. Ship clinic, $200+. Evac, $50K plus. Fallout? Medical debt ruins the vibe. Fix? Get insurance with $100K medical plus evac. Insure My Trip or Allianz, $50 to $120. Covers cancellation, lost bags, storms. Mistake number 2, forgetting gratuities until disembarkation morning. Some lines auto-charge tips, others don't. Rookies scramble for cash at 5 a.m. Fallout? Awkward goodbyes, under-tipped crew. Fix? Prepay gratuities online, cheaper. Or bring $10 to $20 envelopes labeled steward, waiter, bartender. Tip day 1 equal VIP service all cruise. Mistake number 1, not exploring the ship on embarkation day. You dump bags and sprint to the pool. Spend the week lost, missing quiet decks, adult areas, and the best bar. Fallout? Crowded spots, no photos, regret. Fix? Self-tour 1 to 3 p.m. Walk every deck. Find the secret forward lookout, library nook, and laundry room. Snap deck maps. Explore against the buffet rush. Boom! 10 mistakes first-time cruisers make and the exact playbook to crush your debut voyage. Pack light, arrive early, eat smart, and explore like a local. Your cruise should feel like a dream, not a disaster. Which mistake are you guilty of? Comment below. I answer every one. If this saved your trip, smash like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more no BS cruise tips. Now go book that cabin and sail like you've done this 10 times. Catch you on the high seas.